Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a painting. So since spring is almost here, I thought it'd be fun to do some fruit. So we're going to be painting a lemon. You can do the background color in anything you want. I decided to do pink, so I just mixed up some red and white, and I'm doing a big even coat all over the canvas. Next up, we're going to start drawing the fruit. So draw a semicircle on the corner of the canvas, and just go in with some white to make a big outline, and this is going to be the rind of the lemon. Next, we're going to start sectioning off the fruit, so draw a middle point and then connect all the lines to it and just fill them in with white. So once you've finished all the sections in white, you're just going to go in with some yellow and white and go around the edge of the fruit, and this is going to be the skin of the lemon. Next up, you're going to start filling in the fruit, so I mixed a little bit of white and yellow so that it would be a bit more opaque, and just go in and fill all the sections with that color, and you might have to do a couple layers to get it really opaque. I decided to add some leaves, so I'm just going on with white for a base layer so that the green can really pop. So just draw your leaf shape in white and let it dry. So now that the yellow has dried, I'm going to go in with a bit of shading. So I just mixed a bit of orange and yellow, and I'm going here on the edge of the fruit, and then also at the middle near the center, you're just going to throw in some shading and a couple lines too to give it some dimension. And to give the painting a little bit more dimension too, I'm going to throw in some yellow on the white of the rind that we drew, just to give it a pop of color. So I forgot to film me painting in the leaves, but you're just going to grab a bit of green and white and mix it together and lay it down. And once that dries, you're just going to grab some of the straight green to add in some shading. So as you can see here, I'm just adding some shading to the edges of the leaves. And then after, I'm going to go in and add those lines that you see on leaves as well. So once everything is dried, I'm just going to go in and add some highlights. So I'm just grabbing straight white and adding some lines and dots in the fruit, and then I'm also going to add it onto the rind and the leaves as well. So you can really do anything you want for the background. I thought it looked a little plain, so I just grabbed a paint marker and started drawing some lines. You can do this with paint and a paintbrush as well, or you can do any design you like. And there you have it, a lemon painting. I hope you guys enjoyed.